Hey RPG fans, today I'm going to be making a tutorial series on how to make an RPG with Unity 2019. I had to stop making videos just after 4 videos, and a while back I noticed how to make an HUD having about frickin' 1000 views. So I was filled with determination to continue. This series will be focusing on making a WRPG, that is a Western RPG, in Unity 2019. Now the question arises as to what kind. Turn-based, farming, action, and the list goes on. For the answer, none. I'll just be making the fundamentals of an RPG, that is a movement, dialogue system, room transitions, items, etc. If you want me to make a video about the battle system, comment and I'll make a separate video or a farming system. Just as a short note, this is gonna be 2D. Why? Well, because my favorite game is 2D, Undertale. Or maybe because Stardew Valley and Lisa the Painful are nice too. This series is focused on beginners, though I do promote you to learn a bit of programming, but you're determined, then go try learning without it. Also, tell me if you want a C sharp programming tutorials. So that's it, and consider subscribing and turning that notification bell on if you don't want to miss the series. Else, if you don't, be ready to dislike.